It's day 2 out at the junk removal job. Today is mostly going to be some cleaning. I will do a little bit of litter patrol outside just because there's little scraplets of things that I didn't get while I was here with the dump trailer just because, I was running out of time or whatever. But today they're going to be doing some photos of this property for the listing. So what I'm doing is I'm clean. This has been cleaned before, but like a year ago, and they didn't do a thorough job. So let me show you what I've got here. I've got some there's just dirty handprints and stuff around the doorknobs and stuff. Kind of over by where there's these light switches. You got that kind of that dirt that builds up on the casing from people putting their hands on it and stuff. Things like that. And I'm going to do the floors in here as well. I already vacuumed in here the other day, and it was just, there was so many dead bugs. What happened was there was a window that was slightly cracked, and it was letting there was flies, ladybugs, bees that were all just dead in here, probably from the winter time, when they died. And so that filled half a vacuum bag. It's what the heck? So anyway, I'll take care of all this, and it'll be pretty good for pictures by the time I'm done. So the interior of the house is totally clean. I'll show you the before and after pictures on the reel here. So I got a hold of the customer. They do want me to go ahead and pressure wash these shop doors. So let me show you what we got here. So we got these 2 shop doors. We've got a lot of like moss and dirt and pollen and stuff on them. And there's that little man door over there too. There's some dirt on that. So I'll probably just pressure wash this whole face of the building and make it look shiny for him. There you have it. Clean shop, side of the shop. Doors look great, like brand new. Side or the little bit of concrete around is looking pretty good too. So that about does it for this job. Thanks again for watching my content. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see for new content every Friday. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. And we'll see you next Friday on Gallup MCS.